Whenever we start moving.
Well, she said 1,000 no matter how many people on the train.
I think we're going back. And yank. Y'all better be holding on tight. Oh, what I told y'all. As we leave the Congo station, 1,000 hands should be waving to the left to our station masters that we're never going to see again until tomorrow, if they work tomorrow. But y'all not seeing them tonight. Say goodnight. Nobody say goodnight. Okay, thank you. Y'all are so sweet. First roller coaster that you see is a green roller coaster. This is Kumba. Kumba is actually word for roar, and roar it does because Kumba has hollow tracks. It'll take you 140 feet up in the air and bring you through 7 different versions at 60 miles per hour. And coming up on the right, you'll see our Congo River Rapids. Congo River Rapids sits you and 11 of your closest friends or complete strangers in a circular raft, and you guys can go through the rapid rivers of the Congo. And that is the water ride.
I love those flat leaf trees like
Coming up on the right, you might see our bongo antelope. Bongo antelope were once thought to be extinct, but in the 1950s they were returned to an area in Kenya. They are also nocturnal animals, which means they are mostly active during nighttime. And on the left, we have Jungala. Jungala is home to tigers, orangutans, and Chick-fil-A.
check out the Chick-fil-A next time. Chick-fil-A. Maybe once I get somewhere, we'll go ahead
now in the Sandyville area. Sandyville is home to Sheep Run, Tiger Smokehouse, Sandyville Theater, and the Sandyville Law Club. This is also the closest stop to Sesame Street and the Bird Garden.
So it's the next one person after this one. Chris, you know that
We will be pulling into the Sandyville station shortly. Please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. I will let you guys know when it's safe to exit. Exit will be on the platform side towards the front and rear of the train. Again, please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. Exit will be on the platform side. I will let you guys know when it's safe to exit. And this is the Sandyville station.
But y'all see the other one, because this is where we just got on. So y'all see.
That's it.